You don't need to have all these miraculous degrees that you pay stupid money for to really get results in people's lives. You don't. But what you do need is a work ethic to study it as a hobby, not just a job. Because for all I've done, in all the hypnosis courses I've done, and I've done...
Boom! 2 + 2 is 4. -1, that's 3. Quick maths.
3 or 4. I can't even remember how many. I've got 4, 5. I've done quite a few. I've got loads of different certificates specifically for hypnosis in different areas, and then like other things like NLP and all that kind of stuff as well. But you don't need a fancy degree to get these results with people. But considering I've done all of that, I've actually learned a lot more from speaking to people, from actually working with people, and also reading different books, listening to different audiobooks, watching different seminars, going to different seminars, watching different videos on YouTube, and understanding it and dissecting it into my words. Because of course it's all well and good and we need the qualification to do hypnosis on people, which we do, and that's just period, we just do. But what you can understand is that I've learned way more without the qualification side of things. Although I've learned obviously the basics and understanding it and all this yada 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 with the qualification stuff, outside of that I've learned a lot more and I apply myself to do that. Now that's me as a person. I'm not saying this is the best for you. It may be, it may not be. But what it is helping you understand is that you can change your life without even doing hypnosis qualifications and just learning self-hypnosis. For example, I specifically made a course of self-hypnosis so that you could and will get the results so that you can understand it. It doesn't qualify you in anything. Maybe one day I will start qualifying people in hypnosis. I'm not sure, maybe I will. I'm not holding myself to it. Maybe I will, maybe I won't, I'm not sure. But let's be honest, I probably will one day, I don't know. If you guys want it, let me know in the comments below.